Hello Turkish Delight Takeaway. How can I help you?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yes, please. What, madam?
Water
Can I help-
food.
Sorry, this is fast food, not water food.
Ordering food.
Oh, you want to order some food?
Yes, please,
Okay,
yes.
how can I help you? What would you like to
Very
order?
hungry. Very.
You're very hungry.
Yes, very, very. 2 cheeseburger.
I'm sorry, that's cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Yes. 2, please.
2 cheeseburgers. What else?
Um.
Would you like a drink?
Coke. 4 can Coke. 4 can.
I'm sorry, is that Coke?
Coke. Yes, 4 cans.
So that's 4 cans of Coke, 2 cheeseburgers.
Yes, and
What else?
you put long stick in the oven. Shish kebab ni beti. Shish kebab long. Shish.
You want the sheikh kebab?
Shish kebab, yes.
How many sheikh kebabs would you like?
2.
Okay, what else?
East London, you have, they do hatkora kebab. You know hatkora kebab?
No, I'm sorry, I don't
London.
think we do that. What is it?
Yalla, taire budai dibe daw na amar pete buk lag gelo. Ar koto budaimu?
I'm sorry, I can't understand what she's saying.
আর মাত্র মাত্র তো সময় নষ্ট।
আপনার ইংলিশ কথা বলতে কি খুব কষ্ট হইতেছে, প্লিজ বাংলা কথা বলবেন।
তুই বাংলা মারতে পারছনি, তুই পয়লা বাংলা মারলি না। পয়লা বাংলা মারলি না, তোর শাউয়া মুখা বড় আমার খেবাবার দরকার নাই, উনকা খান কি করি? তাই কম্বলে দিব ধরিস বাবা।